how to use the Curves Custom tool in Davinci Resolve 18. First go down to the colour page, which is here. You just press on it and you're on. I'm already on. And what you do is, you just move this up and down and it will make it darker or brighter, just kind of depending on how you want it. And if you move it to the corner, it could get really bright or really dark. Also, you have all of these options here. So you have, let's say you press this, it will just do bright black and white, and you reset it by pressing reset all, or you press this button here which just resets this row. But you could just do red, so it will make it more red. And then you've also got like the black and white version here as well, so they're all still going to show up. Or you've got green, so you can make it more purple or pink, I think that is, I'm not actually sure, which is like the opposite. And then you got like green when you go up. Reset it again by pressing this, and then you have blue. If you want to reset any of this, so it's just all of them again, press this button and it will all come back to normal. But that is not just it, there isn't just this bit, there are loads of other ones which you can look at, and I'm going to show you all of them. So now we have this one, which is curves hue versus hue, and what you can do is you can move it up and down depending on the colour. So that if I move it up versus down, you can see that there's like a massive difference. And you can see that the grass bit here is becoming more red, and like the buildings have become more green, and the car, especially the car, is probably like the greenest bit. If I move it to blue, move it down, here, that's blue. This is more like pinky, as you can see. You've also got hue versus SAT. So if you move it more blue, like this, move it more down, it's gotten more black, and you can just kind of move it around. You can just see how it affects it and what you can do to change, as you can see. Yeah, and if you press, this is the same with all of the pages, completely forgot about it. If you just press on the line, it creates multiple little dots and you can just move them around how you like. So if you want to just change like one certain part to be green, then have like another part to be pink, you can do that. Or one part lower, one part higher, if you wanted to do that. Just depends on whatever one you're using. But we've also just got this specific brightness and darkness one here, which affects, as you can see. So look, we've got this, which does actually look quite nice, in my opinion. And then it changes when you reset, and of course you could do multiple little points as well if you wanted to. So it looks like that. You also have another one as well, which also affects other parts of the screen as well, not just this, as you can see while moving this. Look, can you see there? See that these bits around here got more grey. If we reset it, it's the brighter bits. So, and now we've got like just another one which does certain parts of the screen. And if you are interested, I have a video on how to use the polygon tool in Davinci Resolve 18, which you can watch here